Guess the Sound Challenge, Retirement Edition. Think you have a good ear? Let's find out. Listen carefully and see how many of these 8 sounds you can recognize. Sound 1. What is it? Pause and listen carefully. Did you guess it? Birds chirping. Sound 2. Can you guess it? Listen closely. Did you recognize that one? It's pouring coffee. Sound 3. What made that sound? Listen carefully. That's the sound of a golf club hitting the ball. Sound 4. Where are we? Does that sound familiar? Ocean waves. Sound 5. This one might be tricky. Did you get it? A phone ringing. Sound 6. Can you identify this relaxing sound? Rain. Sound 7. Can you get this one? It's clock chimes. Sound 8. Did you recognize that cozy sound? A crackling fire. 8 sounds, 8 chances. What's your final score? Let us know in the comments.